Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. On September 2021, PM Modi was on 3-day visit of USA. During his 3-day visit, he met with the General Atomics CEO Vivek Lal. After the meeting, the General Atomics CEO said that dedicated drone hub can be created in India to support the entire ecosystem of drones. The speculations were very high at that time about finalization of 30 MQ-9 Reaper deal. The deal is already under consideration with Ministry of Defense. Now, as per the latest update, Ministry of Defense had already discussed the acquisition of 30 Predator drones at a high-level meeting which was scheduled on last Monday. If the acquisition is cleared in this meeting, it would be forwarded to Defense Acquisition Council for final approvals by Defense Ministry, after which Cabinet Committee on Security will give its final nod before the contract is signed. India and the USA have been negotiating the deal for more than 2 years, and it is now in the final stage of getting cleared by the government. As per the media reports, various key aspects of procurement, including the cost component and weapon packages, have already been finalized, and the mega deal is set to be sealed with US by the current financial year. According to the plan, all three services would be getting 10 drones, each would be used for surveillance as well as striking targets when required. India is also getting drones from Israel, which is helping them to get coverage in high altitude areas and have been equipped with the latest surveillance gadgets. There is a considerable delay in acquiring the lethal drones that India is keen to induct. There are two main reasons: the cost of the deal and length of the process. Since the cost of this deal through US Foreign Military Sale program is quite high, India wants more clarity on the deal. New Delhi reportedly demanded additional details on exact price fixation, the transfer of technology that deal will involve, as well as repair and maintenance facility that will be established in India for the drones. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aerial vehicle capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight. The aircraft is powered by a 950 horsepower turboprop engine with a maximum speed of about 480 km per hour and a cruising speed of 280 to 310 km per hour. It has a wingspan of 20 meter and a maximum payload of 1700 kg. The MQ-9 can be armed with a variety of weaponry including Hellfire missiles and 230 kg laser guided bomb units. It has endurance of 30 hours when conducting ISR missions, which decreases to 23 hours if it is carrying a full weapon load. The Reaper has a range of 1850 km and operational altitude of 50,000 feet, which makes it especially useful for long-term loitering operations, both for surveillance and support of ground troops. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you had not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.